If we buy them do video show, even government, any from will say why they do like this, why they show, why they go show, why they show say they buy them, why they show this. Then when they do video, they show us make we say, waiting on they talk. We will not scatter say we'll be sat is not gonna prepare on ourselves for we don't prepare, we don't ready. We no go show video again. We no go show video again, and I no go see video. All the bush, the amusu of the cherubim, the dirty water, the kwikwi of the seraph, the amusu children don't take over the whole bush.
No room for them in the bush. No room for them in all country. Don't know that you. Anybody say get on that? May come well go behind.
This building now, when the big forest can have the bottle, when he dear women no, when he didn't put him man no na. You do now, so I was fatty. Oh Jehovah, this building is forever.
Tiger Base in a trend because of human rights violations. So, Bobo Tibo, na henden cause. I told him you Tiger Base today because I won't take a Tiger Base. Oh no, no, Imo State Gama, Namona Tiger Base. Ebujeleji wa Jembas in the kind of arad and there and the detention of people and the violation of people's rights and media.
And now Nnamdi Kanu has asked the judiciary to return him back to Abuja so that he can be able to appeal his case. Nnamdi Kanu does not have a lawyer as we speak. He does not have a lawyer. And Tinubu and the rest of these illegal courts judges have refused blatantly to honor Nnamdi Kanu's quest for his appeal.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone, Biafra, and wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. We, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, the Niger Delta militants as Abuja and some other militants in Niger Delta has secured their zone. Here in this video, you can hear the Asabuja saying that he is receiving several calls that why should they show those Fulani terrorists that they buyed, that why should they show them, that they are not supposed to show them. But according to him, he said, but those Fulani herdsmen are showing where they are buying people and nothing has happened. And he passed a very strong message to Easterners, to Southeast especially. He said that them over there in Niger Delta, that they have secured all their forests, that they have taken over all their forests, that this is what is being expected for the Southeast people to do, for the Igbo people to do as well, to secure all the forest in Igbo land against intruders.
No be to keep by people. This one, they know what you mean life. When we talk, it be like say we talk too much. Where did they bring them from? We don't know. They recruit them. See, battalion. Now waiting with the see. You don't go where now. When we talk now, they say this. If we let they buy them, they show them in public, you don't go where. Because then they buy our people, they show us in public. Then they execute our people, they show us in public, do video show us. Then they sentence our people, do video show us. But we now, if we buy them, do video show, even government, any from will say why they do like this, why they show, why they go show, why they show say they buy them, why they show this. Then when they do video, they show us, make we say, waiting on how they talk. Then they hide their own face. On I know their house, know where they live. On I know their relative. On I know the barrack, the camp where they dey. On I know the forest, the desert where they dey. On I know their organ. And I know who they speak for them. Like the one we say, make them create budget for bandit. This man we say make them create budget for bandit. On I know they say, if na for Southeast, waiting on I go talk. If na Southeast man they talk this, waiting on I go talk. And the man see his son for army, his son a soldier. Ain't get boys for military. Ain't get boys for army. Now in the waka they discuss our bandit. Now they give us condition. Make federal government pay bandit salary. Make they offer them salary, they pay them afterward. See, no, Even in the dream, no negotiation with the bandit. Why will you negotiate with them? People where they buy people. Kidnapper and robber. Assassin. Hire killer. You want to negotiate with them. You are giving them more power. If they give them more money to go buy equipment, buy weapons, if they empower them. When you negotiate with them, you empower them. When you give them money, you empower them. No, me, anything negotiate with bandit, assassin, hire killer, kidnapper. No. Even the worst what they say, the man they enter government house, the man they enter villa, they enter Abuja, enter everywhere, they work freely. Soldiers, uniform men, they guide them. In be spokesman to bandit, in be advisors to bandit, in be organ to bandit. For one country where we don't say now one Nigeria. Now this thing we they see one Nigeria back walking. Now our people we don't want get sense. Now our people we don't want wake up. Now our people we don't want know something. Southeast people. Then they use us, they kill ourselves. Then they use us, they set ourselves up. Then they use us, they betray ourselves. They will give you small contract, you betray your brother. They give you small position, you betray your brother. They give you small cash, you betray your brother. Peanut, now they will give you betray your brother. You set your brother up. The dirty water of Nigeria, the dirty water of the Igbo land, the east, the dirty water of the east. On our way be east, we will be east. We will not scatter, say we'll be southeast. We're going to prepare on ourselves for we don't prepare, we don't ready. We no go show video again. We no go show video again. And I no go see video. All the bush. The Amusu of the cherubim, the dirty water, the Kwikwi of the seraph. The Amusu children don't take over the whole bush. The Kwikwi of the seraph don't take over all the bush. We don't go show video. The one where we just show, where we do testing, we just show, it dey cause wahala. It dey cause wahala. But bandits don't they show and seize. Bandits they kill our people, hold their head, they shake, nothing they happen. Bandits they show where they carry their this thing, the pieces of our people head, nothing they where they carry knife, they cut our people, nothing they happen. They show where they put our people for inside church, burn them fire, nothing they happen. They show where they bring our people, they slaughter like cow, nothing they happen. This one where Niger Delta people just show. This one where Southeast just show. See how they shake. We will say the primary, not a daycare where we just show. The arms of the cherubim go bring small mechanical tools. I go carry small mechanical as apprentice, show small mechanical tools. They begin make noise. Where you never see warehouse. You never see tools. What about 8,000, 15,000? You never see tools. You see jara. When they go buy suya, they cut jara, give you. You begin to make noise. Bandit, because we don't be born again. The whole Niger Delta, we don't turn to born again. We don't surrender. We say we don't want trouble. Because when we do struggle of Niger Delta here, all in our own, they cheat us. They oppress us. They intimidate us. 9 be the thing. We don't get right. We make noise. Now bandits, they use that they compare themselves. Fulani, they use that they compare themselves. And I hear where the man, see and that man, they say, make them they do what they pay bandit. Make them do allocation for bandit. And they see them. If now from here, and they talk them every day. Now here the uniform people, they get power. Now here then they do all their dirty work. Now here then they do their gara. But for that side, no way. Any uniform man where they bring this and they rush come to come make money. For Southeast, now here they make money. Now here they make money. Now here they do dirty work. Now here they keep people. Now here they frame people up. Go do them for not, they no go fit. Now what will they say? Why we go talk? Why we no go talk? I am the man dead to the pocket. I carry out my car. We don't ready for bandit. We don't ready for armed robber. We don't ready for kidnappers. No be hiding thing. We don't ready for them. Now we go look for them. Now they look for them. The Amusu of the cherubim, the sucking blood. And I know Amusu where they suck blood. We go look for them to test their blood, to suck them. The Kwikwi of the seraph. Now me, the Kwikwi children. Now for night we they see our eye na touch. We go they work out for night. They find them anywhere than they. Now we go look for them. They no go look for us. And they talk about now we go look for them. This land in our own, this country in our own. We'll go find them.
But I don't know if our governors is going to buy that idea. I don't know if they're going to do it. But the only governor that is making a move to do something like that is Peter Mba in Enugu State, because you can see the sophisticated weapon he bought for his forest guards. I hope it is not politics. I hope they are going to be real this time around, because that's exactly what Nnamdi Kanu wanted to do, forming ESN for them to safeguard the whole of Igbo land until the unexpected happened. You know?
What is your message to all these criminals, kidnappers?
Message, the forest guard is coming, and they should take off. No room for them in the bush. No room for them in all country.
You are a kidnapper, you are staying in the bush. You are planning to go into kidnapping. Just have change of mind or you leave Enugu State. Because these men are going to destroy you. It's the promise of Governor Peter Mba to rid Enugu State Forest. This weapon doesn't know Odeshi.
Don't know Odeshi. Anybody say get Odeshi, may come well go behind.
So any Odeshi gets the thing, he gets
the idea.
This is machine.
Machine, there's not worry about that. Pam! The parents should go and advise their children. When anybody born bad child, no say he born bad child. Advise them. Say now, I better go leave these people alone, you know, feed them. So as it is now, the government is on them. The Excellency is after them. There's no room.
So Biafrans, you can see this building inside a thick forest. That's the only building here in this thick forest. So people that saw this building are wondering, what kind of building is this? The kind of noise, the kind of things that is going around that place. According to the person behind this video, you can hear him saying that a lot of noise is coming out from that building, even sounds of music, and you know, he's too scared to go closer to know or to ascertain the exact thing that is going on in that building. So he zoomed his camera to film this.
Abuna forest can no, na very big forest can live. Ama mande mo analuno, kaumade luluna. Can you imagine this? Only this building we had na, then a forest here. Just look around. Look around the forest. Just look around. Forest na wage when bido 100. Look around. Look around. Only this building we had there. Ama monde mwololo na, komade lolo na. This building, I don't want building and so if you noisy, if you put on na, fu noisy name na, fu ye name na, fu a bedroom and so if noisy name na. Onwe this Sunday man no na, onwe this Sunday man no, onwe didn't put him man no na. This building, and I'm very far away. I zoom when onwe did not see man no na. Onwe this building now, onwe the big forest can have about when he dear man no, when he didn't put him man no na. You do now so I was mfati, oh Jehovah. This building unu fleba no, this building just look around. Amra mande mwana I don't know. Nego na just look around. Only this building we had na dinner forest anwa. Jesus Christ. Nego na hey. Nego na no na. Let just then only this building we had no na. Where didn't put where did not see man no na no. Just look around. Nika just na forest. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh my God.
Dear friends, you can as well see that all these people that are doing a lot of things in our community, I think our Igbo brothers are waking up. You can see how they capture this guy. Look at the shams. They go do juju oba uchara n'ukwu ma nke onya chanaka wee bata obodo. Kedu ihe onye abatara obodo ibia me? O nwere Igbo ka ọ na-asụ, ọ bụrụ oyibo ka ọ na-asụ, enwero nke a na-ajụ ya ebe ọ na-anụ. Ebe ka oshi, wee kọsịa ụmụ ihe niile a. Ọ ha nche na-ebe ife aha na-ekwu. Ndị Fulani chassis from Niger, from Chad, from Libya, and some other places where Batasia, Batana Nibo ka ha bịa bushishi anyị. It's not going to work for them now. You can see na aka akpara go onye nka. Ọ ha masị ife ha ga-eme.
Takusonu of Kaimana, Ubupanya Pakara, aha, or mine, but all one Fulani. I actually one way yellow, now such a no more to the water. I need na Alandoke, I hope to believe you didn't hear. Pick when you have Bakara before. Now, I like it. My dear, Lerua, actually, I'm with you.
Kala set up.
Ule nye dia n'okwu ka nye obu n'okwu bute ala ndọkị ndị emekwana ihe agbu agbu ndị Abia State Community Police n'okwa East Command ma n'aka ama n'okwu n'ihi na anyị dị vigilant enough ịdị na-ele ka anyị okenye ekebichara ma n'okwu ma n'aka so na si anyị English n'ụkọ anyị chekwa na English na-abịa amai onu Igbo onu Bekee onu kwa broken mathematics onu amai ka ọ ga-enu an so amai nya nwere ike ma na aka ahụ anyị were godi ọgwụ ahịa ahụ enyere desa n'ala before ka amara ndị a na-eme ụmụnne m ndị dị ihe na Fulani ke n'ukwu maka oke n'aka bute ala ndọkị bụrụ ihe akpakara so biko nụ anyị dịrị nọ observant maka ụmụ Fulani awe Fulani herdsmen awe ndị bandit awe butere n'ala Abia steeti anyị mara na ihe anyị ga-ime onye ọbụla dịrị security alert n'ihi ihe anyị dị ahụ ga-eme n'ala kọntrị anyị wụ Nigeria ugbu a biko nụ community ọbụla anyị dị n'ala ndọkị gbaa gburugburu biko unu leruwe anya unu hikwala ụra na ka agbu a mere n'obu nke ndọkị obu nke ụgbọ ndọkị biko nụ ọhịa isi ka ime unu mara.
So guys, you can see that the Yoruba people are also working on their own. This is a Motokun. As they entered into the forest, they chased away the Fulani herdsmen there. You know, doing the needful, thanks to Nnamdi Kanu who awakened all these people.
Ṣé àwọn èèyàn wa ló ń gbé tẹ́lẹ̀ ní àbí àwọn Fúlàní? Àwọn tó ń ṣe òkú ń bí láti ọkẹ́. Video ni video.
This is a Boma in Imo State. Imo got a serious mineral resources. Imo nwere ezigbo mineral resources. Here are natural gas here. Sinani na potassium here. Which we are not supposed to be suffering. In fact, every or any Imo indigene kwesịrị ịbụ a multi-millionaire. Ma ọ bụ n'obodo anyị dị mma. Every Biafran citizen kwesịrị ịbụ a multi-millionaire. Ma ọ bụ n'obodo anyị dị mma. But just look at how we are suffering, why we have something that made us one of the richest continents or the richest continent in this world. Ojokwara njọ. I'm telling you, ojokwara njọ. Jọwụ onwe ya na njọ.
I came with them. Oyi. I said Chinas and Waneri was inside armor tank. Sent Kilamberi with his men to come here and destroy this place. But because we can be able to uphold them.
The person that brought it to
Chisemojuku. Was the person that brought them in. He came here first and made a call. So there was a man who was with Kilamberi as he stands. Look at it. They took it. Kilamberi is an inspector of police.
My brother,
he's an inspector of police.
I'm the commander of this team.
Okay.
The only problem we have in this country, recruiting illiterates in the system.
What's your name?
This is the national. I'm ASC Polycarp Gronya is my name. So yeah, we are doing a national job. Those people that came here are police people.
They came here and collected my magazine.
The police are not supposed to work for anybody.
So Biafrans, like I'm telling you, so many things are going on in our country. So many things are going on in Biafra land at the moment. So many things, no be small thing, you know. And so Okwa is also talking about the tiger base in Owerri, because recently tiger base in Owerri is trending based on the allegations being leveled against them. We are yet to find out if those allegations are true or not. Although the tiger base center, they are denying it. They're saying that they are not into any form of illegal works or thereabout. But trust Nigerian police now, trust them. Though there are good ones too, but majority are bad omen, I can tell you that. So here, Noso Okwa is accusing them of extortion, detention, illegal detention, so many things. Just calm down, you watch the video, you watch the full video of it.
A very, very quick one. In my tiger base in a hair trendy because of human rights violations, Bobo Tibo, na henden cause. I told him you go to tiger base today. Because I won't take a Kuroku tiger base. Oh no, I will not Imo State Gama, Namona tiger base, a Bujeleji Wajembas. In the kind of Arad and Arodia, and the detention of people and the violation of people's rights and media. So who come kuta. But actually you go Shaba. Shaba Funem Yabo Adamu Shaba Boyoga. You know, as an CSO na government house. Not CSO na government house. You know. Let me start like this. On a case in on our track for the past 3 weeks. A case of a young man out in a tiger base because of business transaction. Yana another person numere. A business transaction, yana another person. Only yana yame kurenu wonyugu. They brew the change or whatever. So the business transaction went wrong. So the onyugu wonye one shaba na run a government house. Ejegwa shaba. Shaba brew this young man. Enyo they brew this young man. That guy I call almost 2 months na tiger base. Emeche Lord the guy. With Ejubego. You know? Ebelo that guy. That guy apota. Before you know it, I see the boy I don't when he had to before you know it, piam. Ebuda had the guy again. Subu na tiger base. Until the family reached out to me. All the second one on na tiger base now, the family reached out to me. So I had to call Ola. Say what is wrong? What is the problem? Why will you people be handling a civil matter? Are you people EFCC that recovers debt? So yeah, so Shaba now no order. Of course we know. We know that the Shaba when have a problem. Ye digola, a mega arrest. Once again, a shaba mo somebody magi mashaba use shaba or tiger base so. And the shaba na here get here commissioner of police in No. Shaba on his own is a commissioner on his own. He is his own CP. On a hair again to another no this guy. So man track this matter. Now track and I say okay, the family should come. The family they still nothing will happen. Okay, I see that the guy would do the goal, I see now 12 million. I say okay. When Koji, ya wete, kede so that go with the why you're not making it. Now kubata the ogo. I said I got the entire 12 million. And I said, no, shall the entire 12 million. And even the fault, 20 years she remains safe. She the guy in Aka. And the worst part of it, when I got la court on this matter, before Allah, Ebrukwe this guy again, to boye na sell. The second one. Ekurumi here push ike. Tiger Base and I respect the court order. Give Uronye judge, Uru magistrate in your there. Even if they are Hamaga Kante. You would lawyer got Tiger Base, they will push you out. They will slap you. So, like I said, I don't mean Tiger Base. Because Tiger Base, some Nimo State. Now I'm that I'm on a Tiger Base in Always walk. That one. But I walk can be now. Okumbiku about to Shaba. So if you are talking of Tiger Base, also talk about Shaba. Talk about Shaba too. Now, even the chief of staff. About this matter. Because I don't want to go on air. I don't want to go public. I don't want to go on social media with this matter. But at the end of the day, now the family are saying what they can offer is 500,000. Then there's no payment plan, no the money. Haju. Not I push out the money. For the past 2 weeks, now here I can't until yesterday or so. Hannah put the family 3 million. And I put the family 3 billion. Kitaka the family na bokwamna. Now see no lap or that boy or na IPO the boy. But I say he should come back. Don't worry, after giving you people 3 billion, who that boy again? To go here na Tiger Base. Oh, you know because Shaba is not yet satisfied. Ola, you want to satisfy Shaba to your detriment. See how you are trending, Ola. See how you are trending. Is it good for you? Is it good for you? See how you are trending. People are using you to trend. When they use you, finish, they will use you and you will be the one trending. You want to satisfy Shaba? This boy again now. Kuboku again on a Tiger Base. That the boy that has spent almost close to 1 month. After spending almost 2 months, the first one you cannot spend the other 1 month. Spend the kudu again. Go spend the kudu like another 3 months till 2026. But I don't want to Tiger Base. I'm going to enter you kuno. I want to counter whatever now make up to show that you know when you megano. I can get it. But I would one day. Oh, monkey go market, he no go return. I told you people 2022. I repeated it in 2023. And I repeated it in 2024. I go tell you soon one day. Monkey go market, he no go return. That person where they use you na go deny you na. She no mind you no mega. Una on your own. Go back and remember what I have been telling you in the Tiger Base. If this boy will Stanley, Kamunu ga chipuya. If this boy will Stanley now, Nankie, Kamunu ga chipuya. Many arrest again. Arrest that guy again on debt ashikwa, debt ashiho. Kam Junu, Muna EFCC. A case that is in court. Una violated the court, violated the temple of justice. Neme Hesorunu. Magistrate kuna hano, judge kuna hano, the lawyer do not kwapo her from the gate. Nanke this guy can you munu ye jeta of anyona. Or this boy was Stanley. Okwana nke this boy will Stanley. Na nkiye kabunu ni yejecha. Ofanyo na. Okwana that boy ake again. Una na weara.
Biafrans, Rosie is not happy with the way the Nigeria government is treating Nnamdi Kanu's court case, because Nnamdi Kanu wants to appeal, you know, but they are kind of using delay tactics to see if they can stop him from doing so. Well,
yesterday being the 4th day of December 2025, Nnamdi Kanu went to appeal court via his brother to appeal on the illegal justice that was passed against him by Omotosho, that I don't know how he got to be a judge in Nigerian court. Now, that case was refused. I do not know why the international community is keeping quiet on this whole case. Now, Nnamdi Kanu is meant to have his appeal, is meant to appeal in Abuja. And now they transfer Nnamdi Kanu to Sokoto prison without any information, without the reach of the judiciary. And now Nnamdi Kanu has asked the judiciary to return him back to Abuja so that he can be able to appeal his case. Nnamdi Kanu does not have a lawyer as we speak. He does not have a lawyer. And Tinubu and the rest of these illegal courts judges have refused blatantly to honor Nnamdi Kanu's quest for his appeal. Now, we are saying these things and the world is quiet, the world is not saying anything. At the end of the day, when we start our madness, they will call us terrorists. We are following everything in due process. We are going through all legal means to make sure we do not violate any law in the land. When Nnamdi Kanu starts shouting now, they will tell him he's arrogant. When Nnamdi Kanu decided to flare up now, they will say, oh, he's not being remorseful. In this kind of condition, are you going to be remorseful? Where the people who are supposed to uphold justice, equity, and fairness is going against the Constitution of Nigeria. Destroying the Constitution of Nigeria because of Nnamdi Kanu. Turning the Constitution of Nigeria upside down. Because of one man. And then the world is just quiet. All this rubbish is happening. Biafrans, let me tell us the truth. Nobody is coming. Nobody. And I repeat, nobody is coming to fight for us. We need to take the bull by the horn. What will happen, let it happen. And we need to fight for ourselves, to defend ourselves. Look at what they are doing to Nnamdi Kanu. He sent his brother to appeal courts. Yesterday, they refused the brother. He was refused. So how is Nnamdi Kanu going to defend himself, I ask? How is he going to come and appeal his case? Because the world knows that he sacked all his lawyers. All his lawyers were wasting his time. Because the government has already, have this notion to jail Nnamdi Kanu. So it was not relevant for him to continue to pay the lawyers. So he already knows this. We already know. That is how they roll. Sokoto that they took him to is the headquarters where terrorists assemble themselves. So they took him to the dens of the main terrorists to suffer there. Nnamdi Kanu did not commit crime in Sokoto. Nnamdi Kanu did not commit crime against Nigerian government in Abuja. Nnamdi Kanu was said to have committed a crime in Biafra land. What is he doing in Sokoto? If I may ask, why is Nnamdi Kanu our leader in Sokoto? Why is he in Sokoto prison? Is this out of provocation for Igbos to react so that you come and tag us terrorists and continue to wipe us away from the surface of the earth? I ask you. I told you people that Tinubu is a very, very corrupt man. Very, very corrupt. Buhari went to spend $10 million. $10 million to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu. Handed the kidnap over to Tinubu. Tinubu came. Instead of Tinubu to smartly remove himself completely from Nnamdi Kanu's case, Tinubu took it upon himself to jail Nnamdi Kanu. And you want us to come here and embrace the Yorubas. And you people want us to come here and embrace evil. and embrace evil. Tinubu continue to tell us we cannot do anything. Tinubu continue to destroy our properties, our businesses in Lagos State, to the extent he showed us that Igbos are nobody by telling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Have we been able to do anything since that time? The answer is no, we have not been able to do nothing. And it seems in a way that Tinubu is getting it. It's getting to us. So are we going to fold our hands and watch this evil? Because nobody is speaking for us. Nobody is speaking for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Where is Bianca Ojukwu today? I keep asking you, where is that mad woman? Oh, it was Simon Ekpa. It was Simon Ekpa. If it was not Simon Ekpa, Tinubu, I spoke with him yesterday, he would have released Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Where is she today? Where are all these animals that were shouting, Mazi, Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa, 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 Ekpa? Where are all these animals that were shouting? Where are they today? I ask you. They have all disappeared. Where are the DOS that was fighting Simon Ekpa? Where is the Madibugo today? All of them has completely disappeared because they have collected money and all of them ran away. Where is Emma Powerful? Oh, that continues to write. Oh, Emma Powerful has dropped a powerful statement. You will see Ruben Abati talking rubbish. Warning the federal government of Nigeria, just manipulating the Igbos because they know we are stupid enough to be manipulated. We allow these animals to get into us. Where is that Emma Powerful today? That was writing everywhere. They will say Emma Powerful has written. Emma Powerful wrote to the federal. He was warning the Federal Republic of Nigeria. If anything happens to their leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that the heavens will fall. Where are they today? Nobody is speaking again. Nobody, none of them is speaking again. It's the USB that is talking today. None of them. The USB, the same USB that Simon Ekpa made. The same USB that Simon Ekpa, brought to the limelight. Those are the people speaking. And then somebody will come and be asking me, oh, Rose, we had that Dr. Ngozi Arabueze was the person who jailed Mazi Simon Ekpa. How can people be very silly in their thinking? Very, very silly. You think that woman doesn't have anything to do? You think she's a beggar? You think she doesn't have job to do? You think this work that she's doing, that she likes it? She's even waiting for any one of our leaders to come out and come and take over. So that she can take over her business, she can look after her business, take care of her family. And somebody will come here and be talking rubbish. You're always hearing very evil things. You don't hear good things. That is how a pastor will come and say, oh, I prophesy that Nnamdi Kanu will come out 2025. Look at it now. Look at the end of the whole thing. Oh, when you have an awful, and I keep warning all of you that are still going to this mad Yoruba people's church, that the Yorubas jailed your brother. If you continue to go to all these Yoruba people's church, starting from Adeboye, it will never be well with any one of you. I swear down to God. Because none of them is saying anything. It's okay. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can be jailed. And terrorist banditry can continue. Tinubu is under hot seat. Abia was saying the other day that, oh, Donald Trump is on us. Why did Abia make such statements? It wasn't because he has your interest at heart, but because their properties in America, they are going to lose it. Their businesses in America are going to be shut down because they use that business to finance terrorism. Half of the people working under Tinubu are Boko Haram terrorist sponsors in Nigeria. Why is Tinubu refusing to name the people that are sponsoring this insecurity in Nigeria? Because half of those people are under his cabinet. Tinubu can never work with a clean man, a clean people. He doesn't work with clean people. There is nobody in Tinubu's government today, go and mark my word, take my word to the bank, that is criminally free. All of them have criminal record from A to Z. All of them have questionable character from A to Z. Before it was the Christian that was unaliving the Muslim. Now this reality the reality is now before them. What they now did is, both Christian and Muslim are being unalived. How can you trust such a government? How can you give such a government accolade? How come? Frustrating the Igbos, trying to make us react. The world is quiet. ICC is quiet. Finland is quiet. The same Finland that went into bilateral agreement. Look at the injustice that they're doing to a Biafran man. The same Biafran man that was fighting this terrorist Nigerian government, which is Simon Ekpa, that built your economy for you. And that same Simon Ekpa now, you took him away and jailed him. His people are suffering. His leader, our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, has been illegally convicted. Why have they not named the names that Donald Trump released about the terrorist financiers in Nigeria? Why? Finland, have you ever asked yourself that? Alexander Stop, have you ever asked yourself that? All you people come to do is, because of our mineral resources, you look away when evil is happening to the southeast. That is all the international world are doing today. They look away. When we start now, when we arm ourselves to start fighting back, they will call us terrorists, because that's what they're waiting for. They look at the injustice everywhere in the southeast. Look at the injustice in the whole Nigeria. Nobody's saying anything about it. Nobody. It's okay. Biafrans can be unalive because the mineral resources is in Biafran land. And that is why Ibrahim Toure rose up and said enough is enough. That is why I know that Trump can never defend us. Because the way this whole thing is going, I'm just sick and tired of everything. Of these Western puppets. We need to, as a matter of urgent, start defending our land by every means necessary. Doesn't matter what it takes. Let's start delegitimizing the military, Nigerian military in our land. Then the world will ask questions. I think that is what is going to start happening. Because we are sick and tired of this whole nonsense. We are waiting for the international community. Look at what they are doing. Look at what they are doing to Nnamdi Kanu today. Look at, because of Bianca's greed. After all, your husband started this whole thing. Is your husband going to be happy in the grave where he's laid today? Is cause not following Bianca? And this same Bianca is still writing letters to Finland to extradite Simon Ekpa. Very shameless woman. Very, very shameless. All the people that were shouting, Simon, Nnamdi Kanu, where are they today? That is my question. Where are they? Where are all of them? Ofonye Jajemba. They kidnapped that person and that is the end. Justice Omotosho was never supposed to try Nnamdi Kanu. He has no jurisdiction. But we allowed it. The lawyers allowed it. Look at the end result. Who is going to talk? Are you waiting for Donald Trump that is busy defending his own land? Are you waiting for Europeans to talk when they have all sold out? Did we not see it? What are you people waiting for? What are we waiting for? Really, what are we waiting for? If I may ask. For people that are not ready to fight for us to come and start talking, saying what? I want to remind us that Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped from Kenya. Was never arrested. So that gives Nigeria, that has made Nigeria a kidnapper and illegal to try Nnamdi Kanu. And now I will state it clearly. Nnamdi Kanu extraordinary rendition from Kenya has knocked away the trial of Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria. But the Domotosho listing and know this. He knew all these things. He knows all these things, but he was paid to pass this judgment because this judgment was scripted. It was scripted and they gave it to him to read. And he read it and crucified himself. This is what the Northerners did. The Northerners colluded us with the Yorubas. Why they now are the angels. And now after pronouncing that jail terms, now bring that same man, Nnamdi Kanu, to us. He can never escape. Bring him to us so that we teach him a serious lesson that he will never forget in a hurry. That is what they are doing to him today. And we are all quiet. It's okay. Nnamdi Kanu. Listen, if we don't fight for this injustice that has happened to our leader, it can happen to any one of us and nothing will happen. The judiciary is very corrupt. They are all corrupt. Corrupt judiciary. Very corrupt. Look at the day that Tinubu went to, I think the MBA, whatever they were doing, and they were singing, on your mandate we shall stand. The whole lawyers were singing. Judges were singing, on your mandate we shall stand. Is that not a shameful country? When Donald Trump said Nigeria is a shameless country, or a country of consign, All of you were fighting Donald Trump, but today, is the reality not setting up? Is it not before us today? Very shameless people. Abio is talking today. Oh, Trump is on us. Like as if you people are important. You are not important. These people are not doing anything to combat the insecurity. They are not doing anything about it at all. They are not doing anything. They are trying to secure their properties in America. If you don't know it, know it. They don't care about you. They don't. If they care about you, they will, first of all, they will start by releasing the names of the sponsors of these terrorists. They don't care. Somebody will come and tell me, oh, Trump is his own interest that he's looking for. A shameless country, very shameless people. Look at Tinubu, jailing Nnamdi Kanu. Every one of us is just quiet. We are quiet. It's so painful that most Igbo people, they don't even know who they are. Somebody will come and be telling me, oh, Ngozi is this, Ngozi is that. How does Ngozi, what, all this nonsense that is happening in Nigeria, how does it concern Ngozi or Aboeze? How? People not mad in the head. Fulani has surrounded the whole Nigeria. The whole Nigeria. Fulani has surrounded everywhere. Fulani has surrounded you. And you are here fighting Ngozi or Aboeze. Your farmland is taken over, has been taken over. You are here fighting USB. Your women, they are being raped. Your children in school are being kidnapped. You are fighting Ngozi or Aboeze. She's your problem. The more you continue to talk, the more they continue to, continue to sweep us away from the surface of the earth. Nobody is saying anything and nobody can talk about it. You don't dare it. Nigeria is a terrorist organization, a terrorist country, a killing field, a killing machine. That is what Nigeria is. And for the very first time, please try to share this video. I want this particular one to go viral. So people, they have done us more good, more evil than good. Nigeria is not working. It can never work. You don't not stand up to speak your mind in Nigeria. You'll be taken out. You'll be unalived. You'll be jailed. This is what Tinubu and his administration is doing to us. And the world is quiet. We are just unnecessarily quiet. Igbos can be wiped away from the surface of the earth. Why is that? Why is this hatred for the Igbos? And let us go, you refuse. Give us Biafra, let us go, you refuse. Why this unnecessary hatred? But like Simon Ekpa said, I will be the one to end Nigeria, and he will do it. Right before your very eyes. We will fight to support Simon Ekpa to the end. You don't know how determined we are. Very stupid, hopeless, black idiots. Foolish idiots. Tinubu is just misbehaving because he has power. They gave him presidency and asked him to be quiet. They gave him presidency that he never merits. If Nigeria was a country that is working, all these, your governors, your president, they should be in jail. Not serving the public. All of them should be in prison. But you can see the way Nigeria is. Everybody in a party they do. Very useless and hopeless entity called Nigeria. So on this note, Omotosho must show us the law that he used in jailing Nnamdi Kanu. We will continue to shout it, to raise this alarm, so that the internet, I don't believe anything about the international world, because even in UN, it is an Hausa woman that is the head there. So they are that is why Nigeria has this power to manipulate anybody, to talk rubbish.
Yeah, friends, thank you all for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. We'll keep on updating you guys on what is going on in our country. Yes, we all love you. Share this video and let us interact in our comment section. Bye.